Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the body-colored exterior components, sunroof, power, tilt sliding, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailering package, heavy-duty engine, Vortec 5.3L speed flex fuel, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Transfer case, active, 2-speed electronic auto-track, luxury package, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.